ಪಸಾಯದಾನಮಳರಿ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿವೈನ್ ಗ್ರೇಸ್ ಜ್ಞಾನೇಶ್ವರಾನ್ ಬರೆಯಲಲ್ಯೆ ಆತ ವಿಶ್ವಾತ್ಮಕೆ ದೇವೆ ಏಣೆ ವಾಗಜ್ಞೆ ತೋಷಾವೆ ತೋಷೌನಿ ಮಜದ್ಯಾವೆ ಪಸಾಯದಾನಹೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಾನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಷನ್ कसं म्हणारी May the self of the universe be pleased with this sacrifice of words and bestow his grace on me. Verse 2 जे खळांची व्यंकटी सांडो त्या सत्कर्मी रती वाडो भूतां परस्परे फडो मैत्र जीवांचे म्हणारी May the sinners no longer commit evil deeds, may their desire to do good increase, and may all beings live in harmony with one another. Verse 3 दुरितांचे तिमिर जावो विश्व सर्व धर्म सूर्य पाहो जो जे वांचिलतो ते लाहो प्राणिजात Englishana May the darkness of sin disappear, may the world see the rising sun of righteousness, and may the desires of all creatures be satisfied. Verse 4 ವರ್ಷದ ಸಕಳ ಮಂಗಳಿ ಈಶ್ವರ ನಿಷ್ಠಾಂಚಿ ಮಾಂದಿಯಾಳಿ ಅನವರತ ಭೂಮಂಡಳಿ ಭೇಟತು ಭೂತ meaning may everyone keep the company of saints devoted to God who will shower their blessings on them. Verse 5 चला कल्पतरूंचे आरव चेतना चिंतामणींचे गाव बोलते जे अर्णव पीयूषाचे Malari, saints are walking gardens filled with wish-fulfilling trees, and they are living villages of wish-fulfilling gems. Their words are like oceans of nectar. Verse 6 Chandrame je alanchana marthanda je tapahina te sarvahi sada sajjana soyare hotu meaning they are moons without blemish and suns without heat. May these saints be the friends of all people. Verse 7 Kim bahuna sarvasukhi purna hovni tihi loki bhajijo adi purushi akhandita meaning may all beings of all worlds be filled with joy and may they worship God forever. Verse 8 आणि ग्रंथोपजीविये विशेषी लोकीये दृष्टा दृष्ट विजये हो आवेची meaning may all those for whom this book Jnaneshwari is their very life be blessed with success in this world and the next. Last verse 9 एथमणे श्री विश्वेश्वराहो हा होइलदान पसावो एणे वरे ज्ञान देवो Sukhiya Jhala. The Nivrittinath, the great master, said that this blessing will be granted. This brought great joy to Jnaneshwar.